Welcome back to the channel. Now I'm going to check up and clean up on different on the Lexus RX400 hybrid. I have to change the air filter and to check the map sensor, maybe clean that one. But first, in here, as I remember now, it was, yeah, that damn alarm was making a lot of noise. Yeah, and before I go on doing anything now, I bought a leaf blower. We have cleaned up the worst, so I can actually work. The filter is under here, I can guarantee, just some opening, and the map sensor is up here. Going to be ordinary X screws, so just find my filter again and my screwdriver and can start. Now I have ordered air filter that I hope is right for the car. Yeah, this seems to be very simple. There, open, one clip down there, one here, one here. And this box is moving away. See here? It's not ruined, but it's not nice either, so just change it out. Let's see if the new one is the right one. Seems to be that. Seems to me have to go in this side. The old one was standing rear upside. This one is not standing anything. There. Take the blockers away. There. See, just hang on that one. Hang on there. Here. Just hang it on the back first. There. Then new filter is in. Very, very, very simple and much cleaner after I clean off the worst shit. You see here it's not perfect, but it was a fast clean up, fast drying. So that's changing the air filter for the engine. Now I'm going to check the map sensor, and I would absolutely say to people who change the filter, you can check this one. It's not difficult to check and it's not difficult to clean. If you like the video, please put a like, please start subscribing to the channel, please put some comments, and if you have some other information thing would have been smart for me to know about this car, please tell me. If you have some question, maybe I can help. Please write them. So thank you. Please come back.